Good evening, friends. I am Jayesh Talati, advocate, a practicing lawyer since last 32 years and President Kheda District Legal Cell Congress Committee and Professor at Law, Bhagat and Sonawala, Nadiad. Friends, I have been observing since long from the administration that Muslim community is being made targeted. Quite frequently, I have come across with many incidences, and therefore this video is intended to be heard and observed by the Ministry of Home Affairs, Director General of Police, IG Range IG Gujarat State, Western Zone, District Superintendent of Police. I request the Member of the Parliament as well as MLA of Nadiad constituency to listen carefully to my complaint and my anguish. Sir, I may bring to your notice that since long police has become adamant, unobeying the law laid down by the Supreme Court and flagrantly violating the directions issued by the Honorable Supreme Court. Moreover, the attitude and behavior of the police has become racial and more of a political vendetta, as if they are working for a political party and not for the nation. I say the whole administration, barring the few exceptions, the Babus are working for a ruling political party and not for the people of the India and not for the nation, for the country. Sir, there are many incidents which I have offered that the police is taking law into their hands and trying to disturb the communal harmony against the spirit of the constitutional law. On the contrary, they are always on the prowl to destroy the very fabric of the basic structure of constitution, including fraternity, brotherhood and secularism. There may be certain the few exceptions. I can't blame the whole police department. There are exceptions, but the few exceptions, hardly 2-3%. Sir, an untoward incident has taken place day before yesterday when a gentleman met me at my home who was beaten severely. Mr. Mehboob Babuna. He is a ready-made garment trader, a small trader in Nadiad, who allegedly had sent a message, or rather he made a message viral through social media, WhatsApp. I have read that message, very simple message. That message contains the facts, informing his brotherhoods, his friends, his relatives, his group members that please purchase the necessities and daily routine necessities. The government may impose lockdown with the help of army. That was the news day before yesterday. Before he made this message viral, our Chief Minister also stated in a daily newspaper that if Corona is not brought under control, then we may hand over the city to army. Now this message, on the basis of the report of the newspaper, this gentleman sent a message through social media on WhatsApp. Sir, you would be pleased to know, you will be shocked to know that day before yesterday at around 4:30 p.m., this Mehboob Babuna was lifted from Nadiad and was taken to Anand. Later on, he was taken to Ahmedabad, Shahibag Dafnala police station, where he was beaten severely, mercilessly. I have seen his physique, I have seen his body. I asked him questions, and that video containing 2.5 minutes was also made viral by me myself yesterday approximately 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. He was compelled to sit in the police station for the whole night. A special belt was brought by another policeman who was allegedly with the senior police officer who had started, who had beaten this Mehboob Babuna. Later on, the police officer directed this gentleman to bring two guarantors. And two guarantors were also brought by him. On the next day morning, that is 2nd June 2020, he came to Nadiad at about 2 p.m. via express highway, and straight away he drove towards my home and I inquired. I was shocked. Immediately I advised him to go to civil hospital. He went to civil hospital. The doctors on duty was adamant to take this case. Rather, he refused to treat the patient, instead saying that go to police station and get a worthy. This is not an ordinary thing. You imagine yourself, put yourself into this situation. If under such a situation, if you happen to go to hospital and if a doctor denies you to treat, what will be your mental position? So Babus, including doctors and police department, they are working under the specific directions of the politician rather than according to law. The way this gentleman has been treated at Ahmedabad, Dafnada police station, it seems that a serious offence is being committed by the concerned police officer, and a written complaint has been sent to the concerned authorities also. The video has been made viral by me on Facebook. Unfortunately, complete video has not been there. But today I am again sending this video to DGP Sri of the State, Director General of Police, Range IG and DSP Sri. My anguish is, this is a single incident. What enmity a police officer can have against a Muslim? Generally we can say there cannot be any enmity. But when series of incidents are happening, series of instances are happening wherein they are told, they are abused to the tune, to the extent of their parents, their mothers, their sisters, their daughters. Being a Muslim, it is not their fault. You have no choice of taking a birth. You cannot take a birth of your choice family, of your choice community. The God has made everyone equal, and therefore the right to equality is there under the Constitution. You cannot choose your community by birth. It is an accident that either we are a Hindu or we are a Muslim. And therefore, my request to the concerned authority is that please try to see that Supreme Court guideline under the Act, Supreme Court judgments are followed by these officials. They are not following. If I tell in a pure Gujarati language that these police officers, Supreme Court ने घोड़ी ने पी गया छे आ police अमलदारो. I challenge you, if you have to file a contempt petition for this sentence, you can proceed for this. And I can prove my allegation against you. I can prove that you people are taking the law into your hands, not bothering about the rule of law, not bothering about the Constitution, not bothering about the brotherhood, not bothering about the very fabric of the fraternity and secularism of the country. Where do you want to go? My special request to Member of the Parliament and MLA of Nadiad, that please try to see that this gentleman gets justice. You are not representative only of a particular community. You are representative of the people of the district and people of Taluka, of a constituency, legislative constituency and parliamentary. You are representing us. We all means we Indians. Indians means including all Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Parsi, Isai, everybody. You cannot see only interest of your own people. Therefore, if I come to the point that within a span of 50 feet, Daban police chowki is situated. Ahmedabad police personnel, 4 police personnel are coming. They are lifting this gentleman and taking him to Anand. Before the eyes of Daban police chowki, he told them that please take me to Daban police chowki. They were adamant. 4 police personnel were there. Incident is not important. Who is acting behind the incident? Who is the instructor? Who is advising? In a police department is important. Who want to disturb the communal harmony? Find out within your department. I am a citizen of India, and therefore, naturally, I am under anguish that such incidences, if they recur, then definitely you people will succeed in disturbing communal harmony. We know certain elements are there who want to disturb the communal harmony. We know Section 188, how long you can compel an accused to wait in the police chowki. For the whole night, this gentleman is compelled to wait. For what reason? A senior officer wanted to see him. Yesterday night, certain people from his own community, Muslim community, who tried to console him and to make a compromise. Is it moral? Is it legal? If tomorrow any one of you, either Hindu or a Muslim, or belonging to any other community, caste, color or creed, would you sit silently? Can we sit silently if a lawyer happens to face such a fate like Mr. Mehboob Babuna? We know the case of Delhi Judicial Officers Union versus Association versus Union of India, Justice N.L. Patel's case. The whole country stood up beside him and got him justified. Because he is an ordinary citizen, he has to face all this. If there is a doctor, if there is a lawyer, if there is an engineer, if there is a politician who has been ill-treated by the police, can we sit silently? Would have not been on the road? Would we have not been on the road? Definitely, we would have come out on the streets and opposed this. This is not justice. This behavior is deplorable, denigrated, and condemnable. I have every proof. Without proof, I would not speak a word. I have got the whole video footage, how this gentleman was taken up. I don't name. Yesterday I made viral my own video, wherein the victim, alleged victim, has spoken out the names of 2 police officers. They have committed an offence, serious offence, custodial violence, for no reason, not inquired. In many other cognizable offences, they are inquiring for days together and months together and not filing an FIR. Under the garb of 188, you want to belie, you want to subdue the members from this community. Therefore, sir, I desire and I hope that this video should reach Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat also, that we will not be safe if this continues. My request to the Member of the Parliament and MLA both, please help and see that the guilty officers are punished and try to restore the law and order situation. That's all.